The dark web is a part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines and is not accessible through traditional browsers. It is a hidden network of websites, which can only be accessed using specialized software such as the Onion Router, TOR. The dark web provides a platform for those who wish to remain anonymous or engage in activities that are illegal or unethical. It has become increasingly popular with cybercriminals, hackers, and other malicious actors who use it to buy and sell stolen data, drugs, weapons, and other illicit services. As such, it poses an immense threat to the safety of individuals and organizations alike. How can you access the dark web? If you're curious about what goes on in the dark web, there are ways to access it safely and anonymously. You can use Tor, an anonymity network, to access websites hosted on the dark web. You'll also need specialized software like Tails OS to protect your identity while browsing these sites. With these tools in hand, you can explore the depths of the dark web with caution and discretion. Dark web alternatives that can help enable anonymity while browsing. There are many alternatives to the dark web that can help you achieve the same level of anonymity while browsing, like Brave Browser, Epic Browser, and iTwop. These alternatives provide users with tools such as virtual private networks, proxy servers, and encrypted browsers that can help keep their data and identity secure. In addition, these alternatives also offer additional features such as private messaging services, encrypted file sharing platforms, and decentralized networks that further enhance user privacy. With these alternative tools, users can enjoy a secure browsing experience without having to visit the dark web. Cryptocurrency and the deep web. Cryptocurrency and the deep web have a unique relationship. Cryptocurrency is often used to facilitate transactions on the deep web, as it provides a layer of anonymity that is not available with traditional payment methods. Furthermore, cryptocurrency can be used to purchase goods and services from darknet markets, which are only accessible through the deep web. In addition, cryptocurrency can be used for laundering money or other illegal activities on the deep web. As such, it is important to understand the link between cryptocurrency and the deep web in order to better protect yourself from potential risks associated with these activities.